Like personal choice, I had my background from computer engineering, and coding is one of the things which I love doing. Solving the problems, real life problems using a code or something. It's very challenging for me. So that's the reason I chose this. There are three mandatory courses. Algorithm, PDP are mandatory. Then third one is up to you, computer systems or managing software development, either one of that. And after this three courses, five courses are of your choice. In those five courses, two courses should be of specific branch. Like for data, if your target is that, then it should be that there are around 4-5 courses related to data. So two of that you have to select, and then three courses are any. You can choose up to your choice. So whichever you plan to. 4 credits. It's a 32 credit system, so 4 credits for each course, and for each credit they charge around $1,600. So that's how the fees will be calculated. At Northeastern, the thing goes like those people who are closer to graduation, they get the first opportunity to select the course, and then slowly it goes down. So those who are the newcomers will get the last chance to select the course. So in first semester, there will be very few options and you have to be very alert. Like at 8 o'clock, if the course selection starts at 8:02 a.m. or around 8:01 a.m., all courses are taken. So you have to be very alert in that case. At Northeastern, computer science is the first, and related to computer science, there is MIS. So you can switch to MIS if you wish to. Again, it's not suggested because the better opportunities, everything good is at the CS side. So it's up to you. But if you can't manage the load, it's very hectic for you, and you want to switch, then yeah, you can. So from switching to CS to MIS is pretty easy. Information retrieval, then MapReduce. That's the big data. That course is very famous, equally difficult, but that's a good course. Then there are other courses like algorithm is good course and compulsory. MapReduce is good. Then web development, if you are planning to build yourself as a full stack developer, or otherwise it's up to you whichever course you want. It depends upon, like, if you see algorithm was towards the theory, there are like every professor will maintain a website of his own where he'll explain everything in detail. Like most of the courses had a website which was detailed, like everything, which assignment, what was there. If you can find, just Google it, you'll find it out. So that will be very helpful. Otherwise, it's up to you. And it depends which course you're taking. Like machine learning, MapReduce, this course is like web development or project oriented. Algorithm and other courses are theory oriented. So it's a combination, up to you. In general, each course is designed in such a way that it is a combination of theory and practical in good sense, like 50-50. There are exams which are pure theory oriented. So here again, for exams, I would suggest like you don't have to mug up, but you're expected to mug up. Like answers are not 100% like word to word same, but you have to write something similar with professors told you. So yeah, you can write in your own words, but the idea should be the same. So then you get full marks. So that's how exams are managed. I would suggest, if you want to get a good grade, start your assignment on the day it gets released. Start it immediately. You have a good time and stuff. Like people start at the last stage, which is not suggested. You have to be like whatever professor is teaching, make your own notes, revise them, go through them. So at every stage you have to keep learning. Then you'll get easily a good grade. Otherwise, if you screw up a few of your assignments or stuff, it will easily reflect in the course. Like the course are designed in such a way that you have to perform well in each and every stage. So that grade will get reflected.